Hello, this is Opinion Radar. As a mom, I'm always on the lookout for tools that can turn everyday moments into learning opportunities for my kids. That's why I was thrilled to discover the National Geographic Stunning Chemistry set. It's more than just a science kit, it's a gateway to exploration, creativity, and curiosity. While I've seen many science kits on the market, this one stood out for its thoughtful design and ability to turn abstract concepts into tangible, fun experiences. What I love most is how it encourages kids to ask questions, experiment, and think critically, all while having a blast. The set is packed with 45 experiments that are accessible yet challenging enough to keep children engaged. It's a perfect blend of education and entertainment, and I can't wait to dive into the details of how it worked in our home. As a mom, I was excited to find a science kit that could spark my child's curiosity and make learning fun. The National Geographic Stunning Chemistry set immediately caught my eye with its promise of 45 easy experiments that can be done at home. From launching a rocket to making a volcano, it's filled with hands-on activities that are both educational and engaging. What I love most is that it's designed for kids ages 8 to 12, so it's just the right level of challenge to keep them interested without being overwhelming. The set comes with everything you need, from chemicals to tools, and I found the instructions to be clear and easy to follow, even for a busy parent like me. One of the best parts of this kit is how it turns science into a family activity. I remember doing experiments like the baking soda and vinegar volcano with my son, and it was so much fun watching his eyes light up as the mixture bubbled over. The rocket experiment was another hit. We even added some extra flair by using a cardboard box as a launch pad, and it really made the experience feel more exciting. The kit also includes a few experiments that required a bit more effort, like building the volcano mold, but I found it rewarding to work through the process with my child. It's a great way to bond and create lasting memories together. While the experiments are fun and educational, there are a few things I noticed that might not be perfect. For instance, some of the experiments didn't work exactly as expected, especially the volcano mold. The instructions said it would hold the plaster, but if the mixture was too runny, it would leak out. That meant we had to be extra careful and follow the directions closely, which I think is important for any experiment. Also, the chemicals come in sealed foil packets, and once you open them, it's hard to reseal them. I ended up using small Ziploc bags to keep them organized and labeled, which made it easier to reuse them for future experiments. I also wish the kit included more safety gear, like goggles, especially if multiple kids are involved. One of the reviews mentioned that it's a good idea to have extra safety equipment. The educational value of this kit is definitely a big plus. It introduces kids to basic chemistry concepts in a fun and interactive way, and I could see how it could help them develop a lifelong interest in science. My son was really excited about the experiments and even started asking questions about why things happened the way they did. Some of the experiments were more tame than I expected, like the rocket launch, which didn't create a big explosion like the picture showed. But I think that's actually a good thing. It's safer and still exciting. What's more, the kit has a variety of activities that can keep kids entertained for hours, especially when done with a parent or sibling. I think this kit is best suited for younger kids who are just starting to explore science. My son, who's 9 years old, really enjoyed it, but I can see how older kids might find some of the experiments a bit simple. Still, the fact that there are 45 experiments means there's something for everyone. One of my favorite parts was how the kit encouraged creativity. We added our own twist to some experiments, like using different colors for the volcano or making a mini rocket with a paper cup. The kit also gave my son a sense of accomplishment. He felt proud when he was able to complete an experiment on his own. It's amazing how something as simple as a chemistry set can make a child feel so excited about learning. Overall, I think the National Geographic Stunning Chemistry set is a great investment if you're looking for a fun, and educational way to engage your child in science. The experiments are safe, the instructions are clear, and the variety of activities keeps kids interested for a long time. Even though there were a few minor issues, like the volcano mold and the sealed chemicals, the overall experience was positive and rewarding. I've already recommended it to a few friends with young kids, and I know my son will keep using it for years to come. It's not just a science kit, it's a tool for sparking curiosity and making learning feel like an adventure. If you want to spark your child's love for science, this chemistry set is a must try. Don't miss the chance to turn curiosity into discovery. Hit like and subscribe so we can keep exploring fun learning adventures together, one experiment at a time.